There we go. That's one. I don't know why this server is like laggy. We're starting with a pistol. None of this stuff I asked for.
New reload meta.
None of the stuff I asked for, but it's okay. I'm so glad, like, a lot of the bad weapons are out, bro. Hammer AR. Chat, are you guys gonna be carrying hammer or red eye? Yo, Dull, thank you so much for the 8 months, my man. I appreciate you. Ready to watch Zemie teach us the new reload meta. What's that? I wouldn't even say it's a new meta. We're back to the old double mammoth grappler meta, you know? Finally. Red eye, hammer, 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 red eye. Ooh, it's looking pretty 50-50. Looking pretty 50-50 out here. All right, give me this. Okay, llamas. Llamas are in the game indeed. We have just confirmed that. We have just confirmed that llamas are in. Look at you. Little rat. We're gonna throw this out right here. So if he tries to peek me, he gets hit. And then I get hit. Nice. Oh man, you might be in trouble. You might be in trouble, my friend. Alrighty. Let's go. Yo, give me a red eye, man. Give me a red eye. Give me a red eye. Give me a red eye. Give me a freaking red eye. I don't even need to ADS with the hammer. That's how beautiful this gun is. You don't even need to ADS. What a beautiful weapon. What a beautiful weapon, man. Whoever designed this weapon at Epic, man, I love you, dude. Like, for real. And the mammoth. Of course the mammoth. I mean, like, that's just a given, obviously. Cobra, thank you so much for the prime sub. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you for using that prime here, man. All right, let's go on the other side of Slurpy Swamp. I haven't even been to this side yet. So we got a ton more freaking heals here. Slurp barrels and trucks. Red eye. Oh, never mind. I got catfished.
Zemie Travis.
This guy under me, I gotta be careful. Come on, man. Where's he at? Nice. Give me the new grappler. What do you have for me? Blue Thunder. I'll take that blue hammer. Still no red eye, though. What's going on with that? What's going on with that? He landed back here. Not a good idea, bro. Not a good idea. Yo, Mystics coming in with the 9-month resub. Mystics, thank you so much for the 9 freaking months. I appreciate that a lot. GG. Wait, sorry. I don't know why I shot the ground there. GG. Still no red eye sucks. Top of the hill. Let's swap places. GG. Oh, that was so clean. That was so clean. Oh my god. That was beauty. And he's landing back up there. I don't think he liked what I did to him very much. Alright, bro. I'm just gonna kill you with my AR. My shotgun's taking forever to reload. And a blue red eye. Let's freaking go. Blue red eye. Give me that. Give me that. GG. Guy behind back there. Oh, there's only 10 in this chug jug? GG's. Oh my god. A gold red eye assault rifle. Holy. Give me that. Give me that. Why is Zemie picking up the red eye? What do you mean, why is Zemie picking up the red eye? What kind of a question is that? Who's not gonna pick up the freaking red eye? What the heck? I'm getting aim punched like crazy. Reload everything. We're good. GG's. Okay, that guy's got a sniper. Where's he at? I only have 4 grapple charges. GG. I need that grappler, brother. Who's shooting me from behind? Nice. S'mores, what's going on, dude? How you doing today? Who was shooting me from the back? Someone's in here, I think. I heard tires. I heard footsteps. What? Oh, then only shot. GG. Wait, did I just get shot at as soon as I stepped in here? I feel like I did. Let's go. I think he's up there in that bunk. Right? Never mind. He's right here. Wow, dude. The hip fire with the red eye is actually pretty good, too. I forgot. And, like, it's not obviously as good as the hammer, but it's still pretty reliable. Still pretty good. Oh, no mobility, dude. Still gotta go. We still gotta get involved. Someone's in this bush, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna land here. We're gonna throw this bunker so we have LOS from that guy. Then we're gonna throw a bubble here and fight this guy. Get this guy out of the game. That guy might push me right now, but I don't think he is the way he's playing. Oh, actually he is. Nice. So we just outplay him. We let him know why sitting in the bush is just not good, because it doesn't get you better at the game. We're gonna fake him out. Beautiful. I mean, textbook. That's textbook 1v2 right there. Outplaying each one of those players. And I did everything I said I would too. I did everything I said I would too. Like, it went perfectly according to plan. Gold spaz? Yeah, you're right. Where was it? I guess I'll pick it up. Nah, I'm lying. I'm not picking that up. Every time I've done this, anytime the thunder and the pump are in the game and I pick up the pump over the thunder, I get disappointed. Every time. Every single time. He's a little lost. Oh, no. No. I'm so sorry, bro. I had to do it, man. GG. I'm so sorry. 28. Let's go. Win a match without losing health first time. And I know mythics and exotics are also still in the game. So if you guys were wondering, mythics and exotics are still in. I don't know the exact list. I don't know if it's the same exact exotics and mythics. Oh my god, we already found a mythic. I mean, a mammoth. We already found a mammoth pistol. That's what I like to see. Full shield already, too. Here we go. Just need a grappler and a thunder pump shotgun. What do you guys prefer, chat? Regular pump or thunder pump? I like the thunder pump more. I don't like the reload of it. I think it's very slow, but I like the consistency of it more. Like, it consistently does more damage, which I like. Thunder, Maven. Maven is crazy. I mean, Maven is actually, like, not bad, too. I'm gonna be honest. Why is my sensitivity all over the place there? Holy moly. The range from the thunder. True. The combat shotgun is not bad now, too, man. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's the infantry rifle. I thought that was a red eye. The infantry rifle back in as well. The purple and gold too. All right, we need a grappler, dude. Give me a grappler. Combat. I'm gonna take the combat. Let's try the combat shotgun. I feel like the combat shotgun is like good again. Oh man, I missed that. I missed that so much. Even though we have it in BR and I've been using it in BR, it just doesn't hit the same in BR. You use it so much more in reload because there's so much more action. Wait, what? What was that lag? Did not want to hurdle. Oh, combat shotgun might be the play, bro. Combat shotgun. Oh, there's a red eye here too, man. I don't know what to do. Okay, we're gonna pick up both. We're gonna pick up both right now. Usually I don't do this. My what's it called? My mammoth is my AR, but I want to use the red eye. That guy's got a jetpack. I don't think I'll ever carry a jetpack, if I'm being honest. Do you guys think you'll carry a jetpack? I don't think I ever will. Like grapplers and jetpacks, or grapplers and shockwaves over a jetpack any day. Yeah, we're not picking this up. We're just not gonna do that. The game is testing me. It wanted to see if I will go back on my word right as I said it. When I have that TAC AR shotgun, it never does that much damage ever. It does like baby damage when I have it. There we go. I have a feeling this guy's like purposely focusing me now. I think I killed him first time. He saw the skin. He found out who it is, or he's assuming who it is, and now he's just like purposely focusing me. Nice. Got the thunder shotgun as well, and we got a god loadout right now. We got a god loadout. I don't know why this server is like laggy. This guy's back here, I think, right? Oh, wrong thing. Ooh, that was sick. One more shot. GG. We're back, bro. We're so back. Behind me. There's a guy behind me with a mammoth. I gotta be careful. There we go. Get in here. I'm 1 HP. He has a purple mammoth. Give me the minis. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Oh my god, I suck. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do this. What? My shotgun didn't shoot. I love that phrase. Bro, I don't think there's been a day of me playing Fortnite where I didn't say the sentence, my shotgun didn't shoot. For like the last 7 years, I think every day that I've hopped on Fortnite, I've said that sentence at least once. My shotgun didn't shoot. Wait, is there gonna be fish and stuff in these? Just fruit. Just fruits. $170, just like that. Wow, what a shot. What a shot that was. And he's dead. And he's no longer with us. There we go. That's one. There's a lot of people there. That's two. That's three. Nice, bro. This lobby is like dying fast, though. You can still drop like a 20-something kill game. I blanked him. Yeah, I gotta get used to the red eye again. It's been a while, dude. And You know what I've noticed? And I noticed this recently, actually, since the twin mag was added in BR. Every single one of these scoped ARs, they have, like, it's hard to explain, but you have a different sensitivity with them. You know, and the reason why it's a little bit, or for me at least, it's been a little bit hard to adjust is because now we have so many of these different red eyes in the game at the same time. It's making it a little difficult for me to, like, adjust to them right away, right? Because back then, the red eye was in there for the whole chapter 5, right? Or chapter 4, whatever it was. I don't know. This guy thought he's gonna, like, land on me and kill me. But now we have the red eye in here. We have the twin mag in BR. We have the AUG in BR. We have, like, 2 different AUGs, you know? And they each have a different ADS sensitivity. I'm gonna drop the red eye just because I want to carry more mobility and I can't do both. We've used the red eye a decent amount, but listen, don't worry. We're gonna be freaking grinding reload. A lot of games where I'm only gonna carry a red eye. A lot of games where I'm only gonna carry a mammoth. And for this video, I want to do both. I want to do both. How did I miss that?
So happy that Fortnite has brought back all my favorite weapons.
I know, me
Crying
too,
face
bro.
emoji. Happy anniversary with the goat.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Yes, sir. How many in this? 10. Give me that. All right. Who else we got? We got 6 players left. Dead. GG's. One in this bush, maybe? Where are they at? I'm really liking this map, too. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like the map a lot. I actually like the map. You know, it would have sucked if the loophole was so good, but then the map wasn't good, right? But I'm liking the map so far. You know, only a couple games in, but from what I'm seeing, I'm liking it, man. Where are these guys at? Where's everyone at? I haven't seen a llama either. I wonder if llamas are removed. I wonder if llamas are removed. Yo, honey, thank you so much for the 9 months. Welcome back. Yeah, I'm very excited. Happy anniversary. Thank you. Bar host, thank you for the 29-month resub, man. Welcome back, bar host. I appreciate you. Vish. Oh my god. Double mammoth? Yes, sir. Double mammoth. You know it. I'm gonna pre-pop this. And we're gonna go double. Even though this only has 2 charges.
Another prime for my goat.
Dead. See, this is why I pre-popped. Watch this. I'm gonna fake him. I'm going to the left. No, I'm not. I died. I'm dead. I'm alive. Guy over there. Ooh, gold spaz. I think we gotta take that. I think we gotta take that. What was I saying? I was saying something and I forgot. I think I was saying something. I don't know. I forgot though. 2 players left. Wait. I just heard someone. Someone's here. Wow. Wow. No way. No way. They're both next to each other?